As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Great opportunity to buy property in the popular Greater Third Ward area. This home needs extensive repairs, but would make a great investment property or starter home. The property is in an excellent location with easy access to Ennis Street, Elgin, Highway 59, Highway 288, I-45, I-10, less than 1 mile to Texas Southern University and less than 3 miles to the University of Houston. It is also less than 3 miles from downtown Houston and the Mueseum District. There are many new constructions projects that have been completed or are being completed in this area. There are actually several new construction homes already finished and sold right behind this home. Submit an offer today.